Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on the Vinted application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Vinted app on your device, and once you open it up, make sure that you are logged in using your Facebook account, your Google account, or your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the home page. Now, if you wish to change the email address that you used while signing up for your account, click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, within the profile page, scroll down and tap on Settings. From here, just click on Account Settings, and now you will see your email address. Go ahead and click on the Change button alongside it, and now you will need to confirm your original email address if you haven't verified it already. Tap on the Send Confirmation Email button and just check your inbox, and you will now see the Change Email button. Go ahead and click on it, and you may be asked to enter the verification code that is sent to your inbox once again. So once again, check your inbox and you will find this code. Just enter this code within the verification box and tap on the Verify button, and now you will be allowed to enter your desired new email address. Go ahead and type in your desired email address and click on the Change button, and now you will be asked to check the confirmation email within your new email address. So check the inbox of your new email address and you will see the Confirm This Email button. Go ahead and tap on this, and now your new email address will be confirmed and your account email will be changed right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on your Vinted account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.